In this video, I'll show you how to update the software on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. First, make sure your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery. If you are using a MacBook, it is better to plug it into power before starting the update. Now click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, look on the left side and click General. Next, click Software Update. Your Mac will now check if a new macOS update is available. If you see an update, click Update Now, Upgrade Now, or Restart Now, depending on what appears on your screen. After that, wait for the update to download and install. Your Mac may restart during the process, so make sure you save any open work before continuing. If your Mac says it is up to date, that means you already have the latest compatible version installed. You can also turn on automatic updates from this same page, so your Mac can download and install future updates more easily. And that's it. This is how you update the software on a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air